In this video, we're going to deal with simplifying expressions with positive exponents. So in order to simplify this, we have these two terms being multiplied together, and within them they contain coefficients, bases, which are variables, and also exponents. So when we go to simplify this, we're going to first look at the coefficients, which is the 3 and the -2. So since we're multiplying these, we're going to multiply those and we get -6. Next, we're going to deal with the x terms. So we have x to the 4th times x to the 3rd. So when we multiply a base to a power times the same base to a different power, we add the exponents. So here we have x to the 4 plus 3, which is 7. And then we want to take care of the y's. There's no y over here, so it's just y to the second. So that would be the first one simplified. -6x to the 7th, y to the 2nd. Another example of this, we have -3x y to the 4th times negative y to the 2nd times 4 y to the 2nd. So first we're going to deal with the coefficients. We have -3. This is really a -1 and a 4. So -3 times -1 is 3 times 4 is 12. And then we have our x values. That's really 1x. That's the only x we have. And then y, we have 4y plus times y to the 2nd. We have y to the 4th times y to the 2nd, which would be y to the 6th, times y to the 2nd, which is y to the 8th. So that's the simplified version of that. Another example of this would be if we put in parentheses. So we have -2 u to the 4th v squared cubed. The cubed is being applied to everything within the parentheses. So this is really saying -2 cubed times u to the 4th cubed times v squared cubed. So when we do that, -2 cubed is -2 times -2 times -2, which is -2 times -2 is 4, times -2 is -8. And then when we raise a power to another power, we multiply. So we have y to the 12th, v to the 6th. And our last example is introducing division to it. So we can treat this problem as a expression with positive exponents or negative. In this example, I'm going to treat it as positive using the division, and in the next video of negative exponents, I will change it to show how you would do it if you take the denominator and rewrite it with negative exponents. So here, we're going to look at the coefficients. So we have 4 divided by 2, which we know is 2. And then if we look at our a's, we have a squared divided by a to the 4th, and when we divide a power base to a power times the same base to another power, we subtract. So 2 minus 4 is -2. And then we have the b's, so 1 minus 3 So you can see we start to get negative exponents, and I'll go over those in the next video.